and welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed the role of deep learning in data science. In this video, we will look at the difference between machine learning, natural language processing, and deep learning. So first, we will look at the difference between machine learning and deep learning. Well, machine learning is a method of data analysis that automates analytical model building. It is a branch of artificial intelligence based on the idea that systems can learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Machine learning is the science of getting computers to act without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning is the study of computer algorithms that can improve automatically through experience and by the use of data. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, where the artificial neural network, the recurrent neural network, comes in relation. The algorithms are created exactly just like machine learning, but it consists of many more levels of algorithms. All these networks of the algorithm, they are together called the artificial neural network. In simple words, it replicates just like the human brain, as all the neural networks are connected in the brain. Exactly is the concept of deep learning. Deep learning solves all complex problems with the help of algorithms and their processes. Machine learning is an evolution of AI, while deep learning is an evolution to machine learning. Deep learning is how deep is machine learning. Machine learning consists of thousands of data points, while deep learning consists of millions of data points. The output of machine learning includes numerical value and classification of the score, but the output of deep learning includes anything from numerical values to free-form elements such as free text and sound. Machine learning is highly used to stay in the competition and learn new things, while deep learning solves complex machine learning issues. When we think of artificial intelligence, it becomes almost overwhelming to wrap our brains around complex terms like machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. After all, these new age disciplines are much more advanced and intricate than anything that we have ever seen. This is primarily why people tend to use AI terminologies synonymously, sparking a debate of sorts between different concepts of data science. Now, one such trending debate is that of deep learning versus NLP. While deep learning and NLP, they fall under the broad umbrella of artificial intelligence. The difference between deep learning and NLP is pretty stark. So deep learning is a subset of machine learning, which is essentially a neural network with 3 or more layers. These neural networks, they attempt to simulate the behavior of the human brain, allowing it to learn from large amounts of data. Natural language processing, or NLP, is the ability of a computer program to understand human language as it is spoken and written, referred to as natural language. It is also a component of artificial intelligence. Deep learning is an ML specialization area that teaches computers to learn from large data sets to perform specific tasks. It uses ANNs to mimic the biological brain's processing ability and create relevant patterns for informed decision-making. On the contrary, NLP primarily deals with facilitating open communication between humans and computers. The aim here is to make human languages accessible to computers in real time. Now we will look at the functions of deep learning and NLP. So deep learning uses supervised learning to train large neural networks using unstructured and unlabeled data. Since a deep neural network consists of multiple layers and numerous units, the underlying processes and functions are incredibly complex. Training neural networks aim to help them achieve mastery over specific tasks that usually require human intelligence. NLP is concerned with how computers can process, analyze, and understand human languages. It makes use of diverse techniques like statistical methods, ML algorithms, and rule-based approaches. Using these methods, NLP breaks down natural languages into shorter elements, tries to understand the relationship between these pieces, and explores how they fit together to create meaning. Well, now it's time to look at the applications of deep learning and NLP. Deep learning technology has found applications across several industry sectors, including healthcare, BFSI, retail, automotive, and oil and gas, to name a few. So deep learning is the technology behind deep dreaming, autonomous cars, visual recognition systems, and fraud detection software. NLP is deeply rooted in linguistics. Some of the most popular applications of NLP include text classification and categorization, named entity recognition, parts of speech tagging, semantic parsing, paraphrase detection, spell checking, language generation, machine translation, speech recognition, and character recognition. Well, these are indispensable in the making of chatbots, personal assistants, grammar and spell checkers, etc. As we discussed earlier, deep learning and NLP are both parts of a larger field of study, artificial intelligence. While NLP is redefining how machines understand human language and behavior, deep learning is further enriching the applications of NLP. So I hope you have understood the difference between ML, DL, and NLP. In the next video, we will look at some major industry problems solved by data science. So till then, stay safe and keep learning. Bye.